Hey everybody, thank you for choosing Straightline Chrysler, Fort Saskatchewan. You guys are looking for an under $30,000 truck. We have the truck for you, and it comes to you in a stylish granite crystal metallic 2017 Ram 1500 Sport. Running boards, crew cab, full load, power mirrors, power windows, power adjustable seats with full leather. This is a beautiful truck, guys. It has heated seats, heated steering wheel, command start. Let's take a look at the inside of it a little more. Automatic headlights, full digital display, speedometer, fuel economy. Does it need an oil change? It will tell you right on the screen, guys. Bluetooth controls on the left-hand side and cruise controls on the right. Push button start, four-wheel drive auto so that you don't have to worry in the winter if you forget to put it in four-wheel high, 8.4-inch touchscreen. This is where you guys can control your dual climates, heated ventilated seats. You have your trailer brake controller right there integrated into the truck. Huge center console for lots and lots of room of storage. What a beautiful truck, guys. And under 30 grand, remember that. Crew cab, lots and lots of room in the back for your passengers. Sunroof in the front. Guys, we need to get you in and driving this thing before it goes. Ride in style, ride in comfort. Ride for under $30,000 in this 2017 Ram 1500 Sport.